Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Lead Therapy, and I really appreciate you taking your time tuning into my video. I apologize that I didn't report on this story yesterday. I got the information soon after it came out, but for the past 2 days I haven't been feeling well, but I'm feeling better now. So most of you know by now, a federal court has struck down the bump stock ban. And I remember after this happened, a lot of people said they didn't care whether these bump stocks were banned or not. We'll get into that in just a little bit, but let's take a look at what happened yesterday. A federal appeals court on Friday struck down the Trump-era ban on bump stocks. And for those who don't know what that is, it's a firearm accessories that enables a semi-automatic firearm to shoot at an increased rate of fire. In a 13-3 decision, the Fifth Court of Appeals in New Orleans held that the ATF, under tremendous public pressure, short-circuited the legislative process by approving the rule to define bump stocks as machine guns. The court said the ATF did not have the authority from Congress to do so. Well, hell, we've been saying that for years. The bump stock ban, opposed by gun rights activists, was enacted by the Trump administration after the 2017 massacre in Las Vegas, where a gunman killed 58 people at a music festival. The shooter used rifles equipped with bump stocks, allowing him to fire more than 1,000 rounds in 11 minutes at a crowd of 22,000 people. In 2018, President Donald Trump signed an executive order instructing the Attorney General to regulate bump stocks, and the ATF acted in accordance with the president's order. To do so, the agency reversed a decade-old position that bump stocks were not machine guns. ATF said bump stocks allow a semi-automatic firearm to shoot one shot with a single pull of the trigger by harnessing the recoil energy of a semi-automatic firearm, to which it's affixed, so the trigger resets and continues firing without additional physical manipulation of the trigger by the shooter. The agency ruled bump stocks were machine guns because such devices allow a shooter to initiate continuous firing cycle with a single pull of a trigger. The Biden administration, which defended the law in court, may appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. I was one of a lot of people that didn't want to own one of these bump stocks. It just didn't appeal to me. But when they banned the bump stocks, I most certainly did care that they did so. And I'll tell you why. Because exactly what's going on right now. These freaking idiots at the ATF can wake up and just change their mind about something, and then something's banned. Or if a president doesn't like it, it can be banned as well, without ever going through Congress. And sometime this month, we're going to get the ruling from the ATF about pistol stabilizing braces. Now, a lot of people are thinking, since the ATF pushed back the ruling until January, that might be a good thing because of Bruen, and now because the bump stock ban has been reversed. That's why you should care, because it's like the old saying, you give them an inch, they'll take a mile. And that's what the ATF will continue to do until they get exactly what they want. And that's a gun registry in the United States. Then that would make it much easier when a tyrant down the road takes office and wants to confiscate firearms. That's why everybody should care. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to help the channel out by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. And don't forget to check out my Instagram if you haven't done so, Lead1789 Therapy. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.